Hello viewer, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Mohiuddin Koppal. Please like and subscribe.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to lesson number 2, Social Science in History, our Karnataka. So, here is the introduction, our Karnataka. Karnataka is our state and Kannada is our language. Is it? Karnataka is our state and Kannada is our language. It is important to know about the natural resources, agriculture, industries, and other aspects of our land. In order to facilitate this, in this chapter, the four administrative divisions of Karnataka are introduced to you. In the previous year, we have already studied about the Karnataka unification movement and the freedom struggles that took place in Karnataka. The rivers, crops grown, products that are produced, banks, irrigation facilities, forests, and wildlife of our land are introduced here. For the better administration, our state is divided into four revenue divisions. All the four divisions are introduced here. After this chapter, you understanding the importance of the history of the divisions of Karnataka, the districts of each division and their significance, understanding the details of crops that are grown, population, industries, rivers, and other aspects of this division. And also understanding which is our division, what are its uniqueness, what are the natural resources available, wildlife, bird sanctuaries of the division, and also understanding the popular people in the field of sports, literature, and arts, and also inform information about the people who have excelled in the field of art, literature, sports, and politics. In a nutshell, this study enables the student to understand the regional differences and talk with confidence about it. Dear children, Karnataka is our state and also our language is Kannada. Here is the important know about the natural resources from comes agriculture, industries, okay, and other aspects of our land. In this chapter, the four administrative division of Karnataka. First one is Bangalore. Okay. In the previous year, we have already studied that about the Karnataka and mm, Karnataka unification movement and the freedom struggle that who took place in Karnataka, and also the river, crops grown, products and that are produced, banks, irrigation facilities, forest, wildlife, all these are introduced here. Okay, children. Now let's start. Go to the lesson. The administrative division of Karnataka. The administrative division of Karnataka. Our land is Karnataka. Our land is what? Karnataka. Our state has history of 2000 years. Many parts of our state have prehistoric stone age sites. Historians have identified such sites in the various parts of the state. The magnificent history of our state is further studied in higher classes by you. In this chapter, we shall study about the four administrative divisions of our state and their significance. We shall also learn about the districts in each division, the natural resources, agriculture, industries, education, literature, arts, tourist places, and other aspects in detail. Okay, children, the administrative division of Karnataka in our land is Karnataka. Do you know that? All are know that? And also our state has a history of 2000 years. How many years? Our state has a history of 2000 years, and many parts of our state have prehistoric stone age sites, and historians have identified such sites in the various parts of the state. Okay, okay children. And is further study in higher classes by you. In this chapter, we shall study about the 4 administrative division of our state. So, in each division, the natural resources, agriculture, industries, education, literature, arts, tourist, and also places and other aspects you detail. Now here, various districts were formed during the British rule. In many instances, the district headquarters have got changed. Some districts were made smaller and some others have been extended. Do you understand, children? Various districts were formed during the British rule. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. Some districts were made smaller and some other have been extended. ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್ ದ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಲದಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತಾಯ್ತು, ಕಲಡಗಿ. And later it was shifted to ವಿಜಯಪುರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತದನಂತರ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಜಯಪುರವಾಗಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Many new districts have been formed after the independence. Bigger districts have been divided to create smaller ones. ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. In order to facilitate better administration, Karnataka is divided into 4 revenue divisions. I have now told that the Karnataka is divided into 4 revenue division, children. They are Bangalore division, Mysore division, Belagavi division, and Kalburgi division. The Bangalore division has a 9 district. The Bangalore division has a 9 district. Mysore division 8 district. Belagavi division has a 7 district, and Kalburgi division has a 6 district. 6 districts. 30 districts in total. How many districts are there in Karnataka? There are 30 districts in. Each district is headed by a deputy commissioner, DC. Each district is headed by a deputy commissioner and the division is headed by a divisional commissioner. We shall know about the district, their uniqueness, natural resources, agriculture, industries, rivers, resources, crops, forests, climate, art, literature, folklore, sports, festival and fairs in brief. So here we shall know about the district, their uniqueness, natural resource, agriculture, industries, rivers, resources, crops, forest, climate, art, literature, all these are okay. Festival and also fairs in here. Look at here map, children. Karnataka map is here. You can see that Bangalore division. Bangalore division. Look at here. There are 4 divisions are in our Karnataka: Kalburgi, Belagavi, Bangalore, Mysore. Now Bangalore has a 9 district. Look at here: Shivamogga, Davanagere, Chitradurga, Tumkur, Chikkaballapura, Bangalore rural, Bangalore urban, and also Ramanagara. Okay, and also Belagavi. Here is Uttara Kannada, Haveri, Gadaga, Dharwad, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Vijayapura, so Belagavi, and Mysore, Udupi, Chikkamangaluru, Dakshina Kannada, Hasan, Mandya, Kodagu, Mysore, Chamarajanagara. Okay. Here, Bangalore is the capital of our Karnataka. Do you know that all are? Okay, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. It is one of the administrative division of Karnataka. There are 9 districts in Bangalore division. They are Bangalore urban, Bangalore rural, Kolara, Chikkaballapura, Ramanagara, Tumkur, Chitradurga, and also Shivamogga. This division is in the southern part of Karnataka. Do you know that? You can see the picture. Where is this district? In southern parts of our Karnataka. Okay, children? Okay. Here is the Shivamogga, Davanagere, Chitradurga, Tumkuru, Bangalore rural, Bangalore urban, Chikkaballapura, Kolar, and Ramanagara also. District wise map of Bangalore division, this one. Okay, children. Here in history, what is the history? Bangalore has a history as rich as Karnataka. Okay, Bangalore has a history as rich as Karnataka. The earliest ruler were from the Ganga dynasty. Kuvala, Kuvalalapura was their capital. The present now Kolar. Children, Bangalore has history as rich as Karnataka, and also earliest ruler were here Ganga dynasty. ಕುವಲ ಕುವಲಾಲಪುರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಆಗ ಗಂಗರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನ ಕೋಲಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಂಗಾಸ್, ಗಂಗರ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಶಿಸಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೋಳಾಸ್, ಹೊಯ್ಸಳಾಸ್, ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಮರಾಠಾಸ್, ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಜಾಪುರಾಸ್, ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದ್ರು. ಯಾರು? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗಂಗಾ ಡೈನಸ್ಟಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ they are came under the rule of the Chola, Hoysalas, Cholas, Vijayanagara kings, Marathas, Mysore kings, Bijapura, Adil Shahi during the rule of Vijayanagara Empire, Palegara, and also our administrative chieftains were appointed to administrative children, different reasons. Now here, these reasons were called ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟು. ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು? ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರಸ್ ವರ್ ದ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್, ನಾಯಕಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನೇಮಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರನ್ನ ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟುಗಾರರು ವಿಜಯನಗರ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಯಕ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಅವರು ವಿಜಯನಗರ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟುಸ್ ವರ್ ಕೆಳದಿ, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಯಲಹಂಕ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ whose what tax and also gift to the king. Some of the important ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟುಸ್ were who are ಕೆಳದಿ, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಯಲಹಂಕ and ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ, sorry, correction rate, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ. Okay, they are important ಪಾಳೆಪಟ್ಟುಸ್ in Vijayanagara kings and also here. Okay, now here in natural resources. Natural resources obtained from nature are called as natural resources. Natural resources obtained from nature are called as natural resources. ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ obtained from nature, obtained from nature, ನೇಚರ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು. For like rivers, forest, waterfalls, animals, soil, minerals are the resources provided to us by nature. Okay children, what are natural resources? Natural resources are forest, river, waterfalls, animals, soil, minerals and also. Okay, here is the Bangalore division has tropical monsoon climate. What is the climate here? The tropical monsoon in Bangalore division. Okay, the climate of all the district is not similar. We know that the climate of all the one place to another place, the climate is changes. Okay children, Kolar has the hot climate, whereas Shivamogga region gets highest rainfall. Kolar has the hot climate, and also whereas Shivamogga region gets the highest rainfall. Okay children, but Chitradurga receives lowest rainfall. Okay, here is the climate you see there. In Kolara has the hot climate, like that Shivamogga region gets highest rainfall, that place in Bangalore division. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತುಮಕೂರು, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ರಾಮನಗರ and ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ receives moderate rainfall. Okay, are you understand this chapter, children? The natural resource, about natural resources. Many of the rivers in this division originate in the Western Ghats. Where it originated? In this division originate in the Western Ghats side. Okay, some of the important rivers are here. Uttara Pinakini, you underline that and note that in your notebook. Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shinsha, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and other. Many of the river in this division, the rivers are, the important rivers are here, children. Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shimsha, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and other. Note it in your rough note or notebook. Okay. In here, river Sharavati flows in the western direction. Where river Sharavati flows in where? Western direction. World famous Jog Falls is in Shimoga. Do you know that? World famous Jog Falls where? Here is the Jog Falls. The world famous Jog Falls is in Shimoga district. Where is it not? So waterfalls named Mutyala Madu. The waterfalls named what? Mutyala Madu. Underline this is in Bengaluru. Okay, children. District. So Gajanuru and Tunga dams are Shivamogga. Gajanuru ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Do you know that? Gajanuru and Tunga dams are in Shivamogga. Okay. Here, this division has numerous tanks. This division has numerous ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. This division has numerous tanks and also Mysore kings have constructed many dams. The in Mysore kings have constructed many dams. Vani Vilas Dam is one such irrigation project. Okay, children, Vani Vilas Dam is one such irrigation ಕೃಷಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವಾಣಿ ವಿಲಾಸ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. This is in Hiriyur Taluk of Chitradurga. Where is it? This is in Hiriyur Taluk of Chitradurga. Another dam is at Markonahalli of Tumkur district. Okay, children, another dam is at Markonahalli of Tumkur district. Okay, children, are you understand? Many of our rivers have dried out due to environmental pollution, deforestation, uncontrolled urbanization, in many other reasons. Here is the many of river have dried because of due to environmental pollution, deforestation, and uncontrolled urbanization. So many of river here dried. Many rivers of Bangalore urban district are on the verge of extinction. As a result, severe scarcity of water is there. There is an urgent need to protect the water sources like tanks and say underground water. Okay, are you understand? Here is the in this division, Bangalore division, some rivers are dried because of environment pollution, deforestation, uncontrolled urbanization. Okay, children, and also Bangalore urban district are the virgin of extinction, and also urgent need to protect the water sources of here like tanks and save underground water. In this division has many minerals deposits, not only rivers like that, many minerals deposit. The most productive gold mines of the country are in Karnataka. Okay, underline that. And Kolar gold mine is famous among all. Okay, children, where is in Kolar? Kolar is in our Bangalore division. So, but the gold deposit of this mine is exhausted. Iron ore deposit are found in Chitradurga and Tumkur districts. Okay, here is the in Bangalore division. Kolar gold mine is famous here, and also in iron deposit are found in Chitradurga and Tumkur. And Chitradurga also has copper ore, not only iron ore, copper ore. It is said that mineral necessary for atomic energy production is available in Chitradurga district. Okay, children. Now, here forest, wild animals, and a national park in Bangalore division. Shimoga has the dense forest covering Bangalore division. Okay, where Shimoga has the dense forest. Shimoga has a dense forest, and also the forest cover of Bangalore urban district is the least. ಹಾಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಡುಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. The districts of this division have forest ranging from evergreen forest to deciduous forest. The Sahyadri mountain range passes on the borders of Shimoga district. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿ ಪರ್ವತ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ, ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ, ಬನಿಯಾನ್, ಟ್ಯಾಮರಿಂಡ್, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್, ದಿಂಡಿಗ, ಟೀಕ್, ಜಾಲಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, and neem tree. These trees are very valuable, and also you see that in Shimoga district forest. Okay, children, these forests have bamboo tree, banyan tree, tamarind, sandalwood, indica, teak, jolly, mango, and neem trees. These are very valuable trees, and also minor forest produce has been the means of livelihood for many people. Okay, the tallest mountain in this division is Halu Rameshwara. Which is the tallest mountain in this division? The Halu Rameshwara Gudda in Chitradurga district. Where is it? In Chitradurga district, Halu Rameshwara Gudda is the very tallest mountain in this division, and also famous mountains are Kavaladurga, Chandragutti, Kodachadri, and Nandi Durga. You know that all these names. Okay, children, we are also live in Shimoga, so you know that Kavaladurga, Chandragutti, Kodachadri, and Nandi Durga. You know that this name. Okay, this division has many wild animals. This division has not only valuable trees, and also in here in many wild animals. This division has a many wild animals like that wild cat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, deer, bear, and wolf are some of the important wild animals. Are you understand, children? Wild cat, ಕಾಡಿನ ಬೆಕ್ಕು, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, ಕಾಡಿನ ಹಂದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Further, you may see that this division for the protection of the forest or animals, many forest reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, and national parks have been set up. Okay, some of these are Jogimatti forest reserves in Chitradurga. Illide where Jogmatti Forest Reserve in Chitradurga, Bannerghatta National Park in Bangalore, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary, Shettihalli Wildlife Sanctuary, Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, and Mandagadde Bird Sanctuary in Shivamogga. Gudavi Bird and Mandagadde Bird Sanctuary, you have seen that in Shivamogga district, and Kagaladu Bird Sanctuary, you seen that. You saw that in Tumkur, and Ramadevara Betta Vulture Sanctuary in Ramanagara. ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ full vultureಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಚುರಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. You may see that Jayamangali Black Book Sanctuary in Tumkur. Okay, children, you read once again this chapter. You understand it all things. Children, do you want to see wild animals like tiger, bear, elephant, deer, and other animals in the forest? And also, children, once again, you seen that all animals, tiger, bear, pig, monkey, colorful birds, different type of snake, and also some peacock, and you saw that where in Shimoga district, where in here our lion safari, our lion safari, is it children? So like that. Children, do you want to see wild animals like tiger, bear, elephant, deer and other animals in the forest? If you so, do visit the wildlife sanctuary and bird sanctuary present in your division and enjoying seeing those wild animals in their natural environment. So ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು? ನಮಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಯನ್ ಸಫಾರಿ and also Mandagade bird sanctuary. In you see Sakrebailu elephant are there. Okay, children, you know, see that place. Okay, tiger Bannerghatta National Park aliruvanತಹ tiger idu. Okay, shall we move? In agriculture and growth of industries, I will take next class. Okay, children. You have to read once again what you have to learn this chapter. What you have learned this chapter. Remember it, children. There is a once again you have to remember it. Bangalore has a how many there here is in our Karnataka has a 4 division: Kalburgi, Belagavi, Bangalore, Mysuru. Bangalore has a 9 district and Belagavi. Look at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 district and also Mysuru 8 districts like that. Okay, and also Kalburgi 6 districts. You remember it. And also what is there in like this. Okay, children. And history of the Bangalore district, history of the Bangalore division, and also here is the natural resources. You have to remember it once again. And also forest, wild animals in the, and the national parks like that. Okay, children. Next class I will take that agriculture and growth of industries. Okay. Thank you.